Welcome back, students. I am Bhavna, and today we are going to learn about some common settings in Ubuntu. There are many Linux distros or bundles of core software with unique desktop interface and apps, but Ubuntu is the most popular. In Ubuntu's Unity desktop interface, you can customize your desktop to look exactly how you want it. We covered the interface in the previous video. So in this video, we shall focus on how to change the way it looks. So let's first connect a mouse with our system and change its settings. It is tough to work on a desktop without a mouse. So to connect a mouse with it is a must. Moreover, working with a mouse on Ubuntu is much easier. As soon as we connect a mouse to the machine, Ubuntu quickly recognizes it and you can easily change its settings. As we studied, a mouse is used to give inputs. You can change how a cursor looks, its speed, and a lot more. You can also configure double-click speed settings, left-right key settings, etc. easily. Now to configure a mouse, just click on the dash. Then go to the system settings and choose mouse and touchpad. Now you can easily change the settings as per your requirements. So in Ubuntu, you can easily change the date and time as well. These settings appear in the settings application. By clicking on this application, we can configure the settings. You can change the date and time, set calendar appointments, change time zones, and even add a world clock. So once you open the settings, you will find two tabs in this interface: time and date and clock. To change the settings of date and time, you will need to click on dash. Then go to the system settings and then select the date and time. Now you will be able to change the dates, set appointments, etc. Let's now have a look at the display properties. Changing themes, wallpapers, icons, resolution, etc. is simple in Ubuntu and can be done in a few steps. So in Ubuntu, display properties is a combination of two options. The first is the appearance and the second one is displays. Anything and everything that is related to the looks of your screen and your system comes under the appearance tab. You can modify your desktop backgrounds. You can view your current wallpaper on the left side of the background section. On the right side, there is a section where we may choose from a variety of Ubuntu wallpapers. So our wallpaper will change instantly when you click on any thumbnail with the fading effect. You can also alter the themes. Ubuntu also features a desktop theme option which changes the appearance of your computer with a single click. Let's now alter the size of the launcher icon. In the left side toolbar, you can also modify the size of the Unity launcher icons. You can even auto-hide the launcher. You can hide the Unity launcher automatically. Enable workspaces and the show desktop icon and specify where your app's windows menus should appear. Next up, let's take a look at the options available, the display tab. You can easily modify the screen's resolution or orientation. You can also connect a second monitor to your computer. So to move into the display settings, you just need to click on dash, then select the system settings and then go to appearance/display/colors, where you can customize the look of your Unity as per your wants. So in Ubuntu, we can add or remove program and features. We usually require certain software for various tasks, but we don't always have a complete range of essential software installed on our operating system. In that case, we need to install them. In Ubuntu, you can either install or remove programs using either of the three ways. We can use the Ubuntu Software Center, which can easily be found in the dashboard. So installing the software from the Ubuntu Software Center is simple. You will need to choose the package you want to install and then click the install button. Another page will open known as the installing page, and that will give out the entire details of the package. We can also use Synaptic Package Manager. It is a GUI based software package manager. So after installing Synaptic, you can launch it from the GUI. Then check the installation box for the software you want to install and then just simply click apply. Here the Software Center and the Synaptic Package Manager are both online software repositories based on advanced packaging technology, which is the APT, and can be used to install, update, remove, and even search for software packages, etc. You can also install and remove programs using the terminal. Ubuntu Terminal is a tool which assists in installing or removing the programs in Ubuntu. But it is not everybody's cup of tea to be able to use it, as it requires a sound knowledge of the necessary commands. We frequently require to print documents from our computer. What hardware do we need to print a file? Correct, we need a printer. Printers, like any other device, need to be added to the operating system so that we can work with them without any hassle. So Ubuntu recognizes the printer as soon as we connect it to the PC and it remembers it. Once the printer is recognized, the rest of the activities like detection and installation of drivers begins automatically. And once it is through with the installation, a prompt to print a test page is given to the user. And it will be up to the user to try it and see for themselves. Now to remove and share a printer, we will need to move into the printer settings. We will then click on Dash, choose System Settings and select Printer. In this video, we learned about some basic system settings of Ubuntu. We can now also install or remove programs. And we now even know how to connect our printer in Ubuntu. We will learn about Ubuntu's file management in our next video. Goodbye.